All right, we spent some time already working with rational exponents, fractional exponents. The ones we worked with so far were the form a raised to the 1n. So for example, if we had 5 raised to the 1/2 power, that's written as the square root of 5. What's different about this next set of problems is the number 1 is not in the numerator. It could be any number. So we're going to go ahead and show you the other form of this. So if you have a raised to the m over n, I tell my students that the index is still the denominator, but now I have a m that has to be my power. So this can also be written as n, a, and then m can go underneath. So either one of those. So that's how they have it written right here for you. Now, when you have a negative power, remember, anything with a negative power, a to the negative n, you have to flip it, 1 over a to the positive n, and that's what's happening here. All right, here's some examples. 27 raised to the 2/3 power. 27 is going to be my base. The denominator is always your index, any fractional exponent. Now, you can choose where you want the 2 to go. The 2 can either go underneath, or, I'm going to erase that, it can go outside. And that's what I'm going to do. Put it on the outside. All right, so now let's talk about simplifying this down. So we go inside the parentheses first. We want to take the cube root of 27. Cube root of 27 is a perfect. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, and now we have a cube root. I'm not going to touch this outside 2 yet. So now, cube root of 3 cubed, odd number, you don't have to take the opposite value of it, so this simplifies down to 3. And now we have that outside square, so 3 squared is 9. All right, next one. 9 raised to the 3/2 power. 9 will be my base. 2 is going to be my index, my denominator. Now you can put this 3 either underneath or outside. And I'm putting it outside. All right, so let's go ahead and simplify this. Square root of 9 is 3. We have a 3 outside. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. All right, C. 81 raised to the negative 3/4 power. Uh-oh, we have a negative power. We always have to flip it. So it's going to be now 1 over 81, and now we have a positive 3/4 power. So any negative exponents, you got to flip it. All right, now we're ready to go. We're going to go ahead and simplify this 81 to 3/4 power. 81 is going to be your base of your radicand. Your denominator is 4, so that's your index. And I'm going to put the 3 outside. Now let's talk about how can we break down 81. 81 can be written as 9 times 9. Let us start there. 4th root, all raised to the 3rd power. Now can I break down 9s again? 9 is 3 times 3. So I have 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. All right, 4th root, 3rd power outside. Look at that. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 3 to the 4th. 4th root, all raised to the 3rd. I got to get that little 1 up there still. All right. Even power. We have to take the absolute value of 3. Still just 3. Now we have that 3rd power still out here. This guy, can't forget about it. So 3 to the 3rd power is 27. So final answer is 1 over 27. We're done.